Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I would like to celebrate the fact that I have hit 500 subscribers. First of all, I would like to thank all of my subscribers who made this happen. It's still a long way to go to the magic 1000 subscribers, magic because then I can actually monetize my channel. To celebrate this achievement, I'm giving away my lino printing course for beginners to 5 lucky winners. In this course, I'm teaching you how to make a simple cat greeting card with lettering. So this is one of the lino blocks I made for this course. And here's some examples of prints. I put my heart and soul into this course and I really hope you like it. You can find out more about this course by clicking on the link in the description. So what do you have to do to win? Subscribe to my channel and leave a comment why you want to win and answer this question. What are the names of our 2 kittens? You can of course share this video too. That would be awesome. I will pick the winners at the end of September and will announce this in another video. Please note that YouTube is not in any way associated with this giveaway. Thank you for watching and good luck. Bye!